What is the sum of all digits that appear in the integers 10 to 100? So what is the sum of all digits? Now here you can actually use a trick. I am finding out the sum of digits from 1 to 99, not 10 to 100. Because 1 to 99 we have already studied. In the lecture of number system, I have already told you that from 1 to 99, the digit 1 appears 20 times. Digit 2 appears 20 times. Digit 3 appears 20 times. All these digits will appear 20 times. So it's actually easy for you to calculate the sum. So I am calculating 1 to 99 first, and then we will subtract whatever is required. Okay. So from 1 to 99, you know that the digit 1 will come 20 times. Okay. Digit 2 is coming again 20 times. This actually you had to by heart. If you want to know how this one is coming 20 times, you can actually try this. Like 1 is there, 11 is there, 21 is there, 31 is there. In this, all these things ones are coming. Just calculate it, you will get 20. Or you can go and watch the lecture on number system. Okay. So here in this way, 3 will also come 20 times from 1 to 99. All the numbers will come from, all the digits will come 20 times. So we need to add all these digits now, right? So how much will come? 1 is coming 20 times, that is 1 into 20. 2 is coming 20 times, that is 2 into 20. Sum will be 2 into 20. 3 is coming 20 times, sum is 3 into 20. In this way, finally 9 is also coming 20 times, that is 9 into 20. So if I add all these things, you will get, we can take 20 common. So 20 into 1 plus 2 plus etc. till 9. So 1 plus 2 plus etc. till 9 is n into n plus 1 by, you can use that formula. First n natural numbers, it is n into n plus 1 by 2. So here n is 9. So 9 into 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 by 2. So that is 45. So this, the sum will be 20 into 45, you will get 900. But we have calculated from 1 to 99. The question was from 10 to 100. So if I am calculating from 1 to 100, so 1 to 99, it is 900. 1 to 100 will be, you need to add 1. In 100, you have 1, right? So it will come 901. But I need to find from 10 to 100, not 1 to 100. So I have to subtract 1 to 9 from it. So 1 to 9, we have already calculated that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9 is 45. So just minus 45 from 901, you will get 856. So the answer is 856, option B.